if you are having issues for running a campaign, let's say for your physiotherapy business, that you got a complaint like fix these issues to run your campaign keywords, health condition related services, procedures or products aren't allowed in personalized advertising, or you get an error on health in personalized advertising where your ads are disapproved or limited. Okay, if they are approved, you should be fine because they are approved to run in the limited audience, your targeted audience, because it's a mature audience. Now if your ads are disapproved, or if you are not able to run on the keywords, that is basically due to if you are targeting specifically medicine or specifically those diseases where the Google is now very cautious or they have been misused previously. So for once you have an option request an exception and a manual review. If you are a doctor, if you're a physiotherapist or a physiotherapist doctor, and if you are running your business, you can request a review. Or there is another way as well, and that is that you can modify your ads and remove those words specifically from your ads, including the diseases and including the medicine words from your ads, and this can easily solve this issue. But if you are a genuine person, then you can request a review, and Google may ask you further documents to verify your authenticity, including your medical documentation, and if you are a certified doctor, so your doctor's certification, including your licensing and other thing, to get compliance. However, this is not an issue and this can get sorted. But if you see your ad like an approved or limited, I think you are good to go and you can simply ignore this and run it, because this will run in your targeted audience without any issue, because this is not for masses, which is why it's showing approved limited. So I hope this answers your question. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.